Okay, so the coolest, randomest thing just happened. So just about a week ago, I got a message on Instagram, and I don't post a lot on Instagram, I just follow a lot of like fashion bloggers and stuff, but I got a message on Instagram and it was from Office Depot and I was like, what the heck? So I read the message and they sent me a goodie box, I guess. Not a goodie bag, but a goodie box. I just got this in the mail. I ripped off the label so you can't see my address, but I just got this in the mail. They said that they saw my YouTube, and because I'm a teacher, they wanted to send me some school supplies for free, and I just thought that was so cool. So I just got this in the mail today. It's only 10 in the morning right now, and I got this like 2 hours ago, so pretty early. It was really exciting. So if you ever like get something in the mail, it's just so fun, especially when it's a box full of goodies from, you know, a really awesome company. So I figured I would do an unboxing video with you guys. So this is the size of it, and again, this is from Office Depot. It says, just for you, special surprise inside, and then it says hashtag Discover Depot. So when they sent me the message, they didn't require me to like post a video or post pictures or anything, because that's like how sponsorships work. So like companies will contact you, and this is like a recent one I got, and they said, wow, you're so lucky, you are one of the top people that we chose to send you this free cup. All you have to do is post a Snapchat video, save it in your stories on Instagram, put it in your Instagram live, post a photo on Instagram every 2 days, put it on your YouTube, put it on your, and it's like, am I gonna do all this for you to send me a cup? Like, what? So the way sponsorships work is that you have to do all that stuff, but then they pay you. So a lot of the companies, they don't want to pay you, and they'll just send you, oh, I'm gonna give you a free cup, do all this other stuff. So I was actually really surprised when Office Depot contacted me, and they didn't ask for me to do anything. So I figured, you know what, you are so awesome and you seem like a really awesome company that I'm just gonna do a video for you instead. And I figure it's for my viewers too. I'm gonna open this up with you and let's see what's inside. Alright, so I've got my scissors here, and let's get into this box and see what we've got. So, just cut the tape, fold it up, and okay, so we've got tissue paper in here, and we've got, looks like a card. We thought you might like this. And then it's like this handwritten letter. How adorable. We love your profile and your classroom pictures. We thought this would be a great opportunity to surprise you with a gift just in time to help send you back to school proud. We hope you're enjoying your summer and are super excited for the upcoming school year. Sincerely, Office Depot, Office Max Social Team. That is so, so cute. Thank you so much, you guys. So let's go through this. Tissue paper, I can already see through it. I'm like so excited. Look at how cute. So if you don't know me, I love stickers. I'm obsessed with stickers. I make my own stickers, and when I see stickers, I just get so excited. So the first thing I see here are some Office Depot puffy stickers, and I'm obsessed with that watermelon one and the popsicle one. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. And the unicorn. So, so cute. Love them. Then we have this weekly planning pad, which I will definitely be using on my desk in my classroom. This is where I'm going to write down like my lesson plans for the week. So it has the whole week right here on the side. Sorry, I'm like one-handed right here. There we go. So on this side right here, it's like weekly. So it goes Monday, Tuesday, all the way down. So I think this is so good when I'm planning out the whole week. So I got my rainbow desk calendar from Target. I think it was like $5. If you haven't seen that, check out the video. I'll link it right up here. It is a Target Dollar Spot haul, but I got this desk calendar, which I'm going to put on my lectern, and that's going to kind of show me what's going on through the month. But since this one is weekly, this one is awesome too for me to just have on my desk and just like kind of go back to every time. Next we have, oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are pocket dividers, and they have, so they have like pockets in it, but they have this thick plastic material, all these cute girly colors. And if you don't know, obviously like I get everything that's so like childish and like the rainbow and the like children's backpacks and stuff, so having these colors is so fun. I love it. Alright, next I see a really awesome notebook here. So many colors, so pretty. This is a college ruled 80 sheet notebook. It has like that harder cover, which is very durable throughout the year. And I noticed that these ones don't tend to rip off the spirals. So the regular spiral notebooks, the cover like is paper and it rips off really easily. So this one will last all year. So this is what it looks like inside. You have this pocket folder in the front and then all of your paper. You have one more thing in here and I'm obsessed. How stinking cute is this? So this is a binder, and if you haven't seen my shop with me videos and my haul videos, I love the decorated binders. So this one, I love how it has like that glossy like sheen on the front, but it's donuts and they're so fun. Oh my gosh, fun donuts. And then inside is purple, regular 3-ring binder. So I'm definitely going to be using all of these throughout the school year. I'm so excited, and I definitely cannot wait. I really love everything that they sent me, and it was so cool because I wasn't expecting to really get anything at all, and then I just get this message and then I just get this box and I was like, wow, this is like so cool. So shout out to Office Depot, Office Max social team, shout out to Jackie, and that was the name that was on the box for the label. So shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I really do appreciate all of these fun things that I'm so excited to use throughout the school year. I can't wait. And for my viewers, if you're interested in anything that you see in here, I'm going to try and find it online and see if I could link it down for you. Again, I didn't ask for any of this. This is not sponsored. They just sent me this free stuff, and I just want to give them a shout out because they're so sweet. Alright, so give this video a thumbs up. Check the down bar if you like any of these items that I got, and I'll also link some other things that I thought were super cute on their website. So check that out, subscribe, hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye.